Okay, you have low water pressure in your home and you're like, what's causing that? This is a pain in my butt, right? It's dribbling out. You can't really wash your hair. You're like, this takes forever to do anything with my water. So what can some of the causes be? Well, first of all, what kind of plumbing do you have? Let's look at galvanized plumbing. If you have galvanized plumbing, that's the kind that's got bolts on it basically, and you got to turn the bolts together. That goes back to the 50s and 60s. Yeah, that can be it, because the organic matter, or the water, the rock in the water, it easily attaches itself to the outside plumbing pipes, and so it clogs it, and the water pressure gets reduced because the plumbing pipe gets reduced. That's a common issue. Another common issue, if you have high level of rock in the water or hardness in the water, that too clogs a plumbing pipe. If you live on well water and you have iron in your water, yes, the iron builds up, and again, it clogs the plumbing pipes. These are all good reasons to get water filtration, just so you know. But anyhow, these are some of the top reasons why. Now, water pressure can also be caused because you live in a city high-rise and they have booster pumps. Sometimes the city has low water pressure itself. That can cause it. But if you live on your own house and you're living out in the suburbs, most likely it's because of the calcium or organics clogging up your plumbing pipes. So certainly a water filter system might be able to help you there. One of the other things that can happen is if you live on your own, you have your own water softener in the basement of the house. As they age, the filter material inside gets all mushy. So that restricts the water flow. So if you have a filter on the whole house, one thing you might want to try to do is bypass it. Simply have a spouse turn on the water, watch the water, and then someone go downstairs and bypass the softener or bypass the filter and see if the water pressure jumps. If it is, yes, your filter needs to be replaced. That needs to be done about every 7 years. Carbon filters maybe every 5 years. You'll see, wow, the water pressure is back to normal if it was the water filter. Now, if you have further questions about water pressure issues, or if I didn't catch the one that might have affected you, please reach out to me, because I'm happy to answer any question you have, because I'm Drew and I am here to serve you.